Hello students, let us solve more questions of area related to circle. Find the area of shaded region if figure OADB is a quadrant. OADB is a quadrant of radius 14 centimeter. AEB is a semicircle. AEB is a semicircle. So how can we solve? Let us find out first area of quadrant. Area of quadrant formula 1 upon 4 pi r square. 1 upon 4 pi value 22 upon 7. Radius 14 into 14. So 7 to the 14. 2 to the 4. 2 11 the 22. 11 multiplied by 14. 154 centimeter square. Now area of triangle OAB. It is a right angle triangle. So area of triangle half base into height. Half base 14 centimeter, height also 14 centimeter. So half 14 into 14, 2 7 ja 14, 14 7 ja 98 centimeter square. Student ADBA is a segment because AB is a chord joining two parts on the circle. So it will be treated as chord. So ADB is a segment. To calculate area ADBA, we can subtract area of triangle from area of quadrant. So area of segment ADBA equals to area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Area of quadrant 154. Area of triangle 98 centimeter square. So 154 minus 98, 56 centimeter square. Okay. Now we have to find out diameter of semicircle. So if we calculate the hypotenuse of this triangle, then it will be the diameter of the semicircle. So to calculate hypotenuse, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem in triangle AOB. So AB square equals to AO square plus OB square. So in triangle AOB, angle O equals to 90 degree. Using Pythagoras theorem, H square equals to P square plus B square. AB square equals to OA square plus OB square. AB we have to calculate. AB square equals to 14 square plus 14 square. Because OA is 14 and OB is also 14. So we can write 2 into 14 square. 14 square 2 times. AB equals to root 2 into 14 into 14. 14 is common. 14 is the square root of 14 into 14 is 14. Root 2 is there. So AB equals to 14 root 2 centimeter. We have calculated AB. This is the diameter of the semicircle. So diameter of semicircle equals to 14 root 2 centimeter. So radius of semicircle, half of the diameter, 7 root 2 centimeter. So we have calculated radius of semicircle. Now area of semicircle equals to half pi r square, half pi 22 upon 7. Radius of semicircle just calculated 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. 7 7 cancel. Okay. 2 11 ja 22. Root 2 is 2. 11 7 ja 77. 77 into 2, 154 centimeter square. So area of this semicircle is 154 centimeter square. Now to get area of shaded region, we can subtract area of this quadrant from area of semicircle. Area of shaded region equals to area of semicircle AEBA minus area of segment ADBA. Correct? So area of shaded region equals to area of semicircle AEBA minus area of segment ADBA. Area of semicircle 154 calculated here, and area of segment calculated here, student. Area of segment ADBA 56 centimeter square. So 154 minus 56 means 98 centimeter square. So area of shaded region equals to 98 centimeter square. Okay, students. Now one more question. Question number 2. All vertices of a rhombus lie on a circle. Find the area of rhombus if the area of circle is 1256 centimeter square, 1256 centimeter square. We have to use pi equal to 3.14. This is the figure, student. Here this is a rhombus and O is the center of the circle. Area of circle is given to us. We have to calculate area of this rhombus. Okay. So first of all, let us calculate radius of circle. So area of circle pi r square. Area of circle 1256 equal to pi r square. R square equals to 1256 upon pi. Pi value 3.14. So when we remove decimal from here, we have to put 20 in numerator. So 314, 4 ja 1256. So we can write R square equals to 400. R equals to root 400. R equals to 400 square root is 20. 4 square root is 2 and 20 square root is 10. Radius equal to 20 centimeter. Now students, we have calculated radius. Now we have to find out diameter. So we know that diameter is twice the radius. So diameter of circle equals to 2r. 2 into 20, 40 centimeter. This is the diameter of the circle. Okay. So we know that diameters of circle are same, equal. So this is 20 centimeter, this is 40 centimeter, so this is also 40. Okay. So these both are diameters of the circle, and these are the diagonals also of the rhombus. Okay. So area of rhombus, we know that half d1 into d2. This is the first diameter, becomes the diagonal, and this is the second diameter. It also becomes the diagonal of rhombus. Correct? So area of rhombus equals to half d1 into d2. d1 40 centimeter, d2 also 40 centimeter. Both diameters equals to the diagonal of rhombus. So 2 to the 4, 0, 0 as it is. 20 into 40, 800 centimeter square. So area of rhombus is 800 centimeter square. So students, these both are diagonals. Remember, these diagonals are equals to diameter of the circle. So when the value of pi is given to us 3.14, then we have to use 3.14. If it is not given to us, then we have to use 22 upon 7. Okay, student.